want to talk to you about all of the products that we buy for beauty, for skin, for our shampoo, for our conditioner, and make sure that we are reading the labels, because a lot of these products have really big words in them, and that's a clue. If they have really big words in them, they're probably chemicals. If you don't know, we can always use Dr. Google to Google these words. But here are some that I have tested on my little app that grades food, beauty products, and skincare products. It doesn't grade supplements, but it does grade everything else from poor to excellent. And then it saves it for you in the app so you know what to buy. And you can also go to all the markets and scan the barcodes, and then it'll score it for you. I just love it. Over here, I want to show you some products that we might find and we might think is good. And then later on, we're going to see what it scored, what the app scored it. So anything from conditioner to shampoos, these are some typical ones, to hair gel. This is the hair gel that I thought was really great. It is really great. I use it when I let my hair go curly. I crunch the gel and put it on, and it's fantastic. Sometimes my hair is straight, sometimes it's curly, depending on my mood. But anyway, when I ran the barcode on this, it didn't come up very well. It was poor. So now I'm using it. We can't be fanatics, but I'm aware and I'm just using it moderately. What else? Okay, washing our face. We may think that if we go to the health food store and we buy a good brand of refining cleanser and deep pore scrub, that maybe because I got this at the health food store, it's better. Well, there's a lot to say for marketing. I don't want to say it, but we still need to research and read all the labels. We're going to go over some of those descriptions and labels and words and things that we should be aware of. Like the obvious one that everyone knows is parabens. So if you see the word paraben in any of the ingredients, you know to stay away from it. And I'll tell you a little bit later, we're going to get into the definition and what these chemicals do to our endocrine system, to our blood system, to our metabolism. It affects almost every pathway and system that we need for optimum health. And I will go into that a little later. So here's like a hand lotion that I got in Paris. And, you know, I think it's good, right? But we're going to find out. And then, of course, there is, a friend of mine is a beautician. And she's like, Neely, why do you use all these Pantene and products that you get at Walgreens? They're no good. Try this. I get this because she's licensed. She gets it at, you know, a beauty store just for a licensed beautician. I'm like, okay, I'll try it. Wow, it looks really fancy. Caviar anti-aging. Doesn't that sound fabulous? This is a leave-in conditioner. It smells divine. Then again, perfumes are not good for our bodies. As you know, the skin is the largest organ in the body, right? So it makes sense that we should be a little careful, that we should know what we're putting on our arms, our hands, our neck, our face, our scalp. What is our scalp close to? Maybe it gets absorbed in the brain, right? We're putting it all over our chest, and it's just, I think that we need to know what we're putting in our bodies. And sometimes the labels or the brands, or if it's more expensive, it's deceiving. But we're going to test this one and see how that came in. Now then we have our trusted brands for body wash. And this is something we should really be careful of. Everything that we use on a daily basis, like body wash, face wash, and toothpaste. Toothpaste, I always try to get the natural ones. All right. Now we have nail polish, right? It seems innocuous, but base and some of the instant dry. What do you think makes it dry instantly? I don't think it's avocado in here. All right. What else? Oh, sometimes we go to the body shop, right? And it says lavender essential oils. Oh, it sounds so natural and delicious, but is it really natural? We're going to find out. And then, of course, your regular petroleum jelly. We all know about that. I use Vaseline sparingly if I have like really thick mascara and I want to get it off. Well, I will do it. Okay, I found this brand, Avalon Organics Wrinkle Therapy for us older gals, and I love it. It works really great, but I didn't test it. I bought this before I got the app, so we're going to find out about that. Okay, and then there's my favorite castor oil. I'm sure this is excellent. I already know it's excellent. And vitamin E oil, I already know it's excellent. So here are two that you could definitely use. Now, if you're younger and you have dry skin, I would just put a dab and then splash water on your face and mix it in there. Because you're getting the bad seed oil anyway, you might as well get a good oil. Just, play with it. Mix it up. It'll soak in and it won't be oily. Alrighty, stay tuned because we're going to find out more in the next video. You can see on the app that it grades this 41 over 100, so that's poor, and then it tells you why. It gives you all, and it gives you better options. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So this is why I'm so excited about this app, and I hope you subscribe, and I'll send it to you.